Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna see how to make Moobathara or eggs with potato. But before we start, if this is your first time here, please subscribe. Thank you for watching and let's cooking. First, let's see our ingredients. First, I have here 3 medium-sized potatoes cut into squares, 3 eggs, 1 onion cut in small pieces, 1 bell pepper cut in small pieces too, and 3 garlic cloves cut in half. Half spoon of 7 spices, half spoon of cinnamon in powder, little bit of cumin, and some salt. We also gonna use little bit of olive oil and vegetable oil. These are our ingredients, and now let's see how to prepare our dish. On a pot over medium heat, put 2 big spoons of vegetable oil and 2 big spoons of olive oil. Add the potato over it and mix it up. After that, cover the pot for 10 minutes. And remember, we want to fry the potato, not cooking it. After 10 minutes, take the cover out and leave the potato frying for 15 minutes. Then add the onion and the green pepper, the garlic, and mix all together. Then add our spices that we have. After that, cover the pot for 15 minutes. Then uncover it. See if the potato done. Beat the eggs together. Then add it over the mixture that we have. Mix it for 2 more minutes and that's it. Ladies and gentlemen, this is our dish for today. We called it Moobathara or Mfarraga. If you have any question, please leave it on the comment area. Thank you for watching and God bless you. Some of other recipes in our channel you might find interesting.